Hello, my name is Lila. Just wanted to thank you very much for considering my ceiling drapery for your event needs. I have been renting it out for a few years and I've always had a handwritten instructional manual that I give out, and I've had so many people ask me, please can you make up a video? So I have finally made a video. My friends at Eyemmersive Solutions have helped out to make this promotional video, so hopefully it will help to make your setup a little easier. Thanks.
When you rent the ceiling drapery, there will be a couple of totes that will have everything in it. I have everything wrote down on here, what needs to be in there. And then the drapery panels will be on the bottom. They need to be folded up just as they were when you originally bought them from me. That's very important because they are 40 feet long, so it would be really hard for me to fold at home, and that is laid out in the contract. So they're laid out, and then other items including the lights will be on top. And then I'm just going to give you a quick little introduction on how to set this up here. So basically, you have your drapery panel, which is 40 feet long by 10 feet wide. And you're going to put it onto your center mounting harness. So this is one big round ring, and you put this on just like a curtain panel. And you'll decide how many you want to use for your venue. You can use up to 12. Most places end up using 8, and I've had some people use as little as 4. So just whatever look you want for your wedding is up to you. So you slide this on. And then I'm not going to do all of them right now, just for the video I'll just show you. So this goes on, and then you're going to close this off. There's a little screw that you put in here. And then once all of those are on and you're going to be ready to hang it, you're going to be putting your C-hooks in. So those look like this, and I like to use 2 for each hole. And then I put them facing opposite ways. That just helps to secure it a little bit better. And then on top of that, once I have it closed, I take a little strip of duct tape and just wrap it around as well. This is the meat and gravy of what's going to be hanging the ceiling drapery, so you definitely want to make sure that it is well supported with your chains and everything up above. Okay. So we would go around, we would put the rest of the panels on, and we would want to be securing our chain as well to the C-hooks. You're going to want to do that before you close off your duct tape. And then you would either hang it, however your ceiling is at your venue, you would either hang it over top of a rafter, or you can use these magnetic hooks that I have that come along with the drapery. And basically you just hang your chain, and then you just pop it on to your metal rafter if you're lucky enough that your venue has that. Okay, so I just wanted to show about these panels. Of course, I only have one on the harness right now. You would put your 4 or 8 or 12 or how many ever you decide to use. It's good to have them all laid out before you're going to lift up your harness so that you're ready. And then at the same time as you stretch out and lay out the panels, you also want to lay out your lights. So of course the drapery does come with the lights for you to put with the panels. And so you want to have them laid out. You want to have the male end facing into the center. And then I have a couple power bars that are included with the ceiling drapery rental kit, and you will basically have the power bars ready to put. You're going to secure it up somewhere in the ceiling so that all of these are going to be plugged in. All of your lights will be plugged in to there, and then you'll have this secured up there, and that way you only have to run the one extension cord and all of your lights will be powered inside of the drapery. So if you look around the room here, we've got all of our panels laid out and ready to go. This is the best way just to get yourself organized before you actually hang them up. What we've done on each of these is put a dowel on the end and laid out our lights so that they are ready to go. I'm just showing you the last one here. So we've got the dowels with the pre-drilled holes. And then again, this is just like a curtain panel, so we're going to slide that onto there. And then we're going to take a zip tie Put the zip tie through the hole. Get a piece of chain ready to put through. And then we close off the zip tie. And then when we do end up hanging this up at the end, it will be ready to go. Now, something to keep in mind is that if your room isn't perfectly 40 feet out, you might need to take this dowel and turn it a little bit. So you would want to figure that out beforehand. Turn it to the length where you need it. And then you hang it up from there. With the chain, again, we'll use these handy magnets. We just stick it on and pop it onto your rafter. All right, and as you can see, now these guys have got all of the panel ready to go. They've got their chain ready to go, and they've got the scissor lifts. So now they've just got a couple guys supporting it from the bottom, and they are bringing the chain up to secure it to the ceiling. This again is kind of your meat and gravy of the whole ceiling drapery, so you want to make sure that this is secured very well. This will be having the most weight on it, so you want to make sure that it's well secured there. And then after the center drapery is hung, the end panels are going to just be coming out and being set up that way.
Perfect. So that is the end of the instructional video. Hopefully that helps to clarify things a little bit more for you and will make your setup go even easier. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. And lastly, I want to send a huge shout out to Eyemmersive Solutions. They put together this whole instructional video and they have been amazing to work with. Don't hesitate to check them out for any of your wedding or promotional needs. Thanks so much. Bye.